Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jazzy and I'm a new vegan, and I've been vegan for about a year now, and lately I've been craving some brownies. So in this video I'm going to show you how I make these really yummy brownies from scratch. For this recipe you'll need 8 ingredients. From left to right you'll need some vanilla extract, water, salt, all-purpose flour, baking powder, sugar, vegetable oil, and cocoa powder. You'll also need a mixing bowl as well as a baking pan. To begin, you're going to mix your dry ingredients first, followed by your liquids. I added my flour first, followed by sugar, cocoa powder, and then the baking powder. For exact measurements, please check the description box as I'll have the entire recipe down there. Then I moved to my liquids, adding water, vegetable oil, vanilla extract, and salt. I mixed the ingredients together for about 90 seconds on level 1 until I had a nice thick, rich consistency. Before I put the mixture in the pan, I went ahead and used a little bit of vegetable oil to coat the pan, so that way the brownies wouldn't stick to the bottom. As you guys can see, this mixture is extremely thick, and you want to try your best to make sure it's evenly distributed in the pan to avoid lumps. Before I put the brownies in the oven, I wanted to smooth it over one last time with the spatula. Set your oven to 350 degrees and make sure it's preheated before you put the brownies in the oven. I put my brownies in for about 25 to 30 minutes until they look like this. Before you cut the brownies, you want to give them 10 to 15 minutes to cool down, but after that, you'll need a tall glass of almond milk to follow these brownies down because they're super thick and super chocolatey. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. The brownies turned out super delicious. Let me know if you tried this recipe in the comment section below, and I'll catch you guys in my next video.